Hello guys, how are you? XSS via image. As I told you in the introduction, images are ubiquitous. They are everywhere. In virtually every single web application, we've got image processing, image upload, and stuff like that. And if you know how to launch an XSS attack via image, then you are in a very privileged position because this is a big opportunity for you right now. Okay? So when you think about the images, well, there are different file formats, like, for example, JPG, PNG, and stuff like that. But there is also something called SVG, one of the most popular graphical file formats that is quite often supported by the companies that have web applications, right? So this is what I'm gonna focus right now on. I'm gonna focus on SVG because SVG, which is actually an XML-based graphical file format, is really, really interesting from a hacker's point of view. So this is one of the graphical file formats that is supported by quite many companies, and this is very nice from the hacker's point of view because SVG file can contain scripts. It's beautiful. And here is the difference between SVG and other graphical file formats. SVG is, let's say, active, in between the quotes, active, right? Because it can contain scripts. And this is a legitimate part of SVG, but you can use it, you as a hacker, you can use it to launch your XSS attack. And other popular graphical file formats are, let's say, passive, in between the quotes, because this is just an image, right? In that cases, just an image that is just displayed without any kind of active content, this kind of thinking. Okay, so you see that SVG is really your friend if you are a bug hunter or ethical hacker or penetration tester. So the attack scenario in case of SVG files is like this. You need to upload an SVG file with a script. And then the SVG file is visited by the user. And once it is visited by the user, the script is executed. And what we've got here is stored XSS attack. Because when you upload an SVG file, then, well, it is uploaded, stored somewhere on the server side. So you've got stored XSS, right? Which is the best form of XSS attack because, well, once it is delivered, it can be easily used to attack other people who visit the web application, which is really, really good from the attacker's point of view. And yes, you can get at the end of the day very nice reward for something like that in bug bounty programs. And it was a high-level overview, right? So that you can understand how this attack works. And in a minute, I will jump to the demo because I want you to see this attack in action. I want you to be able to see how to put a script inside an SVG file, right? But it was a kind of technical overview so that you can get a feeling and understanding of a given problem, and now demo so that you will see everything in details, in practice, in action, and then everything will be clear. So I believe that this is clear for you up till now. So let's jump to demo and let's see this attack in action.